Hello my dear children, how are you? Are you fine? Okay. Then in the last class we have started the chapter The Nightingale. Have you read it several times? Then have you written the words, new words in your notebook? I think all of you written it. Okay. Then we can proceed the story. Then go to the story, The Nightingale. The Nightingale. Okay. Then where was that ruler? Which ruler we have studied? Yeah, ruler in China. What did he has? He had a beautiful garden, palace and a garden. Okay. Then everyone who came there appreciated or admired the city and palace and the garden, and what did they love best? What did they like best? Most? What did they like most? Yeah, they liked most the nightingale's song. So, the king wanted that nightingale in his palace. The king wanted that nightingale in his palace. So, he ordered to his minister to bring that nightingale to his palace. And minister searched for the nightingale in his city, but he could not find out that bird. At last a female servant helped him to find out the bird. Okay. Then he has stopped there. Then they reached in the forest, and the minister invited this little bird to come to the palace. What was his reply? He said that his song is best in the open air. Even though he said like that, he followed the minister to the palace and sang for the ruler. Okay. Then he liked it very much. Then he asked him to stay there and sing for him always. Okay. Then he was given a cage and 12 attendants. The attendants means the people who serve him. The people who serve him. Serve the rich people like that, or the important people. The people to serve important people, that is attendants. Okay. We have stopped there. Now we can go to the next part. Okay. My song is best in the open air, said the nightingale, but he followed the minister to the palace. Even though he said that his song is best in the open air, he followed him to the palace. The bird began to sing sweetly. Then when he reached at the palace, he began to sing sweetly. He began to sing sweet music. He began to sing sweet song in the palace. Okay. The emperor was delighted by hearing this voice, by hearing this music. The emperor was very happy. He was very joyful. He was very delighted. And he decided to keep the nightingale in his palace. So he decided to keep that nightingale in his palace. Okay. She was to have a cage and 12 attendants. She was given 12 attendants and a cage. Every day she would sing for the emperor. What was the agreement? Every day she would sing for the emperor. She had got a royal treatment in that palace, a kingly treatment in that palace. Then was he happy by getting this royal treatment? That we are going to discuss. Okay, what happened then? However, the nightingale was not happy in the cage. You know, a bird is very happy in the open air. In the open air, they want freedom to live. We all of us need freedom to live. If we are in a cage, we are not happy. Like that, the nightingale also was not at all happy, because he couldn't enjoy his freedom. He had to live in a cage. In that cage, he was not at all happy. However, the nightingale was not happy in the cage, means he was not at all happy in that cage. Even though he got a royal treatment or a kingly treatment, he was not at all happy for getting that. Okay, did you understand? Shall I go to the next part? Okay, yes. One day, the king of Japan came to visit the emperor. He brought a nightingale for the emperor. This was an artificial one, but it looked very beautiful and real. Then what happened one day? Then all of you take your textbook, okay, and look at the page number 23. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. One day, the king of Japan came to visit the emperor. Who came there? Yeah, the king of Japan came to visit our emperor. Okay. He brought a nightingale. Brought means past tense of bring. He took a nightingale for the emperor. He brought a nightingale for the emperor. This was an artificial one. This was an artificial one means this was not natural. This was not a real one. An artificial one. He brought a nightingale for the emperor. This was an artificial one. This was made up of artificial one, but it looked very beautiful and real. But it was very beautiful and it looked very, when you in the first sight it is very beautiful and real, but it was not at all real. It was an artificial one. It was not natural. This nightingale that brought by this king of Japan was not at all real. It was an artificial one. Okay. One day, the king of Japan came to visit the emperor. Who came there? In that court, who came there? Yeah, the king of Japan. Why did he come there? To visit our emperor. To visit our emperor. Okay. He brought a nightingale. What did he bring? What did he bring? Yeah, he brought a nightingale for the emperor. Oh, as a present to the emperor. As a present to the emperor, he brought a nightingale. Who brought a nightingale? Yeah, this king of Japan. This was an artificial one. This was not a natural one. This was an artificial one. But it looked very beautiful and real. But it looked like very beautiful and real. Okay. It had diamonds and rubies on its wings and sapphires on its beak. The king placed the two birds side by side near the window and waited for them to sing. Well, how was that artificial one? How was that? It had diamonds and rubies on its wings and sapphires on its beak. Do you know what is diamond and ruby and sapphire? They are precious stones. These are precious stones we have studied in the last chapter. Okay. It had diamonds and rubies. Rubies means dark red precious stone. Rubies, dark red precious stone is ruby. Dark red precious stone is ruby. On its wings it was decorated with rubies. Its wings are decorated with rubies, precious stone, diamond and rubies. Diamonds and rubies are used to decorate the wings of this artificial nightingale. This artificial nightingale's wings are decorated with diamonds and rubies. Diamonds and rubies, clear? Yeah. And sapphires on its beak, and on its beak was on its beak. What was it? What was the precious blue stone? Sapphire means precious blue stone is sapphire. On its beak there was a sapphire. Sapphires on its beak. The king placed the two birds side by side. What did the king do? The king placed it side by side of his window. Near the window, he placed the both birds side by side. The king placed the two birds side by side near the window and waited for them to sing. What did he do? He keep these birds side by side of his window. He keep these birds side by side of his window and waited for them to sing. Then he waited for their singing. Then the artificial bird sing 3 times. How many times it sang? Artificial bird, how many times it sang? Yeah, it sang for 3 times. The artificial bird sang 3 times, but it always sang the same song. How many times the artificial bird sang? Yeah, 3 times. Okay, somebody of you are saying the answer. Okay, very good. Then came the turn of the real bird. Then that real bird was asked to sing the song, but where was it? Where was it? It was not there. What happened to that? No one had noticed. It fly out of the open window. No one had seen that. What happened to the real nightingale? No one had seen that. When they were singing, when this artificial bird was singing, what happened? This real bird flew out of the open window to the forest, its home. Okay, where was its home? Its forest. It was very happy in that forest, so it flew back to, or returned to its home, to the forest. This real nightingale returned to its home, to the forest. Okay. Then came the turn of the real bird, but where was it? Nobody could see him. They were searching for the bird, the real bird. Where was it? Then no one had noticed. They didn't see that it had flown out of the open window to the forest. No one had noticed it fly out of the open window back to the forest at home. It reached its home. The emperor was furious. Emperor was furious means emperor became very angry. Emperor became very angry. Furious means very angry. The emperor became very angry. Why was he angry? Why was he angry? Yeah, because the real nightingale was not there. He cannot hear. He could not hear its music, sweet music. So he was very angry. The emperor was furious with the bird. Then, did you understand this much? Shall I repeat this? Yeah. The artificial bird sang 3 times, but it always sang the same song. The artificial bird could sing the same song. He could sing only the same song that is recorded in it. Then came the turn of the real bird, but where was it? No one had noticed it fly out of the open window back to the forest. It's calm. The emperor was furious. The emperor was very angry with the bird. Then go to the next page. Okay. From that day, the artificial nightingale sang whatever it was wound up with a key. One evening, as the artificial bird was singing, something went pop inside it. What happened? Yeah, you know, when you have toys, when you give key to that toy, it play. Like that here, the artificial nightingale also was given key for singing song. Okay. From that day onwards, the artificial nightingale sang whatever it was wound up with a key. Then king had no choice. He could only hear this artificial nightingale's recorded voice only. Okay. Then from that day, the artificial nightingale sang. Whenever it was wound up. When we give key to that artificial nightingale, or when they give key to that artificial nightingale, it began to sing. Okay, when they gave key to that artificial nightingale, it began to sing. Okay, then this king could hear his voice. Nightingale sang whenever it was wound up with a key. When they gave key to that artificial nightingale, it began to sing. Okay. One evening, something happened here in the one evening. One evening, as the artificial bird was singing, what happened? Something went pop inside it. An explosive, they could hear an explosion or explosive sound from that artificial nightingale. they could hear a sound, a big sound from that artificial nightingale. Something wrong happened with that. Okay. One evening, what was happening? Yeah, one evening, the artificial nightingale was singing. Then something went pop. Some explosive sound was heard from it. An explosive sound was heard from this artificial nightingale. Okay, understood? When one evening, when this artificial nightingale was singing song, some big sound or explosive sound was heard from that. A sound was heard from that. Something went wrong. Something went wrong inside it. The music stopped. Suddenly, the music stopped. What happened? The music stopped. The bird would not sing again, no matter what the emperor said or did. And without the music, the emperor grew sad. Soon he fell ill, cold and pale. He lay in his bed, longing to hear the nightingale's sweet song. What happened? Then when it's something bad or wrong thing happened to this artificial nightingale, the music stopped. He couldn't sing at all. The music stopped. The bird would not sing again. This artificial nightingale could not sing again. Okay, this bird could not sing again because it is an artificial one. No matter what the emperor said or did, even though the emperor asked him to sing or he did whatever he can do, it is useless. It is useless. No matter whatever he said or did, it didn't sing at all. This artificial nightingale didn't sing music. Okay. With what the emperor said or did, and without the music, the emperor grew sad. When he couldn't hear the music, he became very sad. Why was he sad? Why was he sad? Yes, you say. Yeah, because he couldn't hear the music. So he became sad. Then soon he fell ill. Immediately or suddenly or soon he fell ill. He became sick. Fell ill means he became sick. Cold and pale. Bloodless. He became very bloodless, very pale. He lay in his bed. He became a bedridden. He lay in his bed, longing to hear. Longing means wishing. What was he longing? Or what was he wishing? He wished to hear the sweet voice of the nightingale. Okay, you know that. The music stopped. The bird would not sing again, no matter what the emperor said or did. There is nothing. It is useless. What did he say or did was useless. And without the music, when he couldn't hear the music, the emperor grew sad. When he couldn't hear the music, the emperor became very sad. Soon, immediately, he fell ill. He became sick, cold and pale. He lay in his bed, longing to hear the nightingale's sweet song. He wished to hear the nightingale's sweet song. Who wished to hear? Yeah, the emperor wished to hear nightingale's sweet song. Suddenly, the loveliest song reached the palace. What happened? It was the real nightingale sitting on the emperor's window and singing. Then one day, what happened? Suddenly, the loveliest song reached the palace. He could hear a lovely music, a beautiful, charming, melodious music. From where? Yeah, our nightingale, real nightingale came back. Suddenly, the loveliest song reached the palace. Loveliest song, he could hear the loveliest song singing of this nightingale, real nightingale. The loveliest song reached the palace. It was the real nightingale. Who was singing there? Who was singing there? Yeah, our real nightingale was singing there. He returned back. Sitting on the emperor's window and singing. Where was he sitting? He was sitting on the emperor's window and singing. This real nightingale was sitting on the emperor's window and singing. Okay. Then where did she come from? She had come from the forest to sing for the emperor. She was very kind. So she came back to the palace. She had come from the forest to sing for the emperor, to sing for this emperor. She heard that the emperor is very ill, he was very sick, he was very pale, he was very bedridden. So he would have heard it. So she came back to sing for the emperor because he was strongly wishing. He was intensely wishing or strongly wishing to hear the music of this bird. He knew about that. This bird would have known about that. So she came back there and was singing. Okay. She had come from the forest to sing for the emperor. The emperor was very pleased. Emperor was very pleased means emperor was very happy. Emperor became very happy. Why was he happy? Because he could hear that melodious, sweet music of the nightingale. Okay. The emperor was very pleased and wanted to reward the bird. He wanted to give some reward to the bird. However, the nightingale only asked the emperor to get well soon. Then what was the reply of the nightingale? You will get well soon. However, the nightingale only asked the emperor to get well soon. Then he asked to be well soon, to be well soon. Then the bird asked the nightingale, I don't want any reward. I want you well soon. So the next morning, the emperor woke up feeling better. Next morning, by hearing this by the charming of this beautiful music, by the attraction of this beautiful music, the emperor woke up feeling better. He felt better. He asked the nightingale to stay with him in the palace. Then he requested the nightingale, you would stay with me in the palace. Please stay here in the palace. He asked the nightingale to stay in the palace or to live in the palace. The nightingale said, I can't live in a cage, nor can I live in the palace. What was the reply of the nightingale? Nightingale replied that he could not live in a cage. What was his reply? He could not live in a cage, nor can I live in the palace, or he could not live in a palace. He could not live in a cage or in a palace. The nightingale replied that he could not live in a cage or in a palace. Let me come whenever I want to sing for you. Then let me come. You please allow me to come. Let me come means you please allow me to come. You allow me to come whenever I want to sing for you. Whenever I wish to. Whenever I wish to or whenever I want to sing for you, I will come and sing for you. Please allow me to come when I wish to sing for you. Understood? The nightingale said that he could not live in a cage or in a palace. Then he also requested him to allow him to come to the palace. He requested him to allow him to come to the palace whenever he wanted to sing for the king. To allow to come to the palace to sing for the king. Okay. The emperor happily agreed. That. Okay. Then our story is over. I think all of you enjoyed the story very well. Then all of you should read the textbook very well. 7 or 10 times you should read and write the important words in your notebook. Okay. Then new words also. You should write and study the words in your notebook. Okay. Then shall I go to the read and write? Read and write. Read and write. Read and write. Okay. First one. Complete these sentences. Complete these sentences. First one. At the edge of the huge garden, what was there? At the edge of the huge garden, what was there? Yeah, you are right. What was there? There was a forest. At the edge of the huge garden, there was a forest. At the edge of the huge garden, there was a forest. Okay. You should write the full sentences in your notebook. Okay. Not only the answers. You should write the full sentences. I want the nightingale, said the emperor. How can you feel it? I want the nightingale in my palace. Third one. I want the nightingale in my palace, said the emperor. The emperor was very delighted with the nightingale's song. Nightingale's song. The emperor was very delighted with nightingale's song. Okay. Fourth one. The artificial nightingale sang how many times? 3 times. So, very good. 3 times. Artificial nightingale sang 3 times. Okay. Then sixth one. The real nightingale came back to the palace. The real nightingale came back to the palace. All of you should write the sentences and the answers in your textbook and notebook. Okay. Then first one is, at the edge of the huge garden there was a forest. I want the nightingale in my palace, said the emperor. The emperor was very delighted with the nightingale's song. The artificial nightingale sang 3 times. The real nightingale came back to the palace. Okay, clear? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Then, shall I go to, we can discuss the question answers. You should write in your notebook yourself. Okay. First one. Answer these questions. What did the travelers admire the most? What did the travelers admire the most? Yeah, you are right. What did the travelers admire most? They admired most the sweet song of the nightingale. They admired they heard the nightingale means the sweet song of nightingale. What did the nightingale say to the minister? What did the nightingale say to the minister? The nightingale said. Did say is changed it to said. The nightingale said to the minister to come to the palace and sing for the emperor. To come to the palace and sing for the emperor. Okay. Third one. What did the king of Japan bring for the emperor? What did he brought? Yeah, he brought the king of Japan brought a artificial nightingale. Okay. What happened to the emperor when the real nightingale left the palace? When the real nightingale left the palace, what happened to the emperor? Yeah, when the real nightingale left the palace, the emperor became ill. He felt ill. Okay. What did the nightingale say to the emperor in the end? What did he say, Nightingale? Yeah, Nightingale said he could not live in a cage or in the palace. Let him come to the palace whenever he wanted to sing for the king. Whenever he wanted to sing for the king, he allow him or let him come to the palace whenever he wanted to sing for the king. Okay, that all of you should write all these things in your notebook and textbook. And today I am going to wind up the class. All of you should read the textbook several times. And if you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, thank you.